Hello everyone, in today's video we're taking a look at Envato AI. Envato offers one of the most expansive creative asset subscriptions available. It includes stock images, video, music, fonts, templates, and now an AI integrated lab suite at no extra cost. It's designed for creators, agencies, and small businesses to access everything in one unified platform. Over 22 million assets like photos, video clips up to 4K, music, fonts, templates, and 3D models, fully royalty-free and searchable. It includes integrated tools such as Image Gen, which is an AI text-to-image generation, Image Edit, which is in-app editing, Video Gen that converts images into short animated videos, Voice Gen which is text-to-speech, Music Gen, AI-generated music based on mood or genre, and Inspo Gen or AI search, capabilities all included with standard subscription, no add-on fees. It supports native plugins for Premiere Pro, After Effects, Figma, Canva, WordPress, and Adobe Express, enabling AI search right in your creative tools. Also, it offers a commercial royalty-free license with no view or impression limits. You can use downloaded assets indefinitely, even after canceling your subscriptions. But Video Gen capped at 720p or 4K but limited in options and monthly usage. Voice Gen enforces a 400-character limit, requiring multiple iterations for longer scripts. Also, the general AI search has mixed results. Video Premiere Pro search works better. Bulk approach sometimes yields basic or redundant assets. Finding standout quality may require filtering. And finally, coverage capped to about 6 months of your subscription, less than higher-tier providers like Shutterstock. So, Envato AI is a strong all-in-one platform, especially for creators who juggle images, video, audio, music, and templates. Its AI lab suite makes rapid iteration possible and delivers solid time-saving benefits. The bundled model stands out in cost efficiency compared to piecemeal services from competitors. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.